In the name of Allah, I am Malik Arthar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my third lecture on trigonometry for class 10th, exercise number 8.1, question number 3. Question number 3. If sin A equals 3 divided by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. If sin A equal to 3 divided by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Calculate cos A and tan A. Question choice बना. If sin A equal to 3 divided by 4, sin A should already 3 divided by 4. I should calculate cos A and tan A. Solution. इस पूछो गणित है. Sin A. Sin A should already 3 divided by 4. I should पता sin A ऐसा बराबर perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. तो यहाँ को इस वर्ड में लिखे perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. एवं मतलब छु ट्रायंगल हिंज साइड छस ओडे दित राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल यूज निमो अस तमिक ज साइड छस ओडे दित cos A कैलकुलेट करने खतर छस नी जरूरी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल अस ओडे दित ज साइड 3 छ परपेंडिकुलर तम ट्रायंगल होन 4 छ हाइपोटेन्यूज sin A ओडे दित 3 डिवाइड बाय 4 अस निमो अक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल यमिक ज साइड ओडे छ दित A B C एंगल छ और बनाई एंगल छ ए पे यमु अक साइड परपेंडिकुलर छ बराबर 3 सेंटीमीटर हाइपोटेन्यूज बराबर 4 सेंटीमीटर cos A कैलकुलेट करने खतर छ जरूरी यमु त्रीम साइड कड़न cos A छ बराबर बेस डिवाइड बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज मगर बेस न दे कि अस कड़ो ट्रायंगल हुन त्रीम साइड ट्रायंगल त्रीम साइड करने खतर छ यूज करा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम Pythagoras theorem छ वना hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse और AC square base AB whole square perpendicular to BC whole square. AC छ 4 centimeter 4 whole square AB choice column BC choice बराबर 3 whole square 4 whole square goes 16 is बराबर AB whole square minus plus 3 whole square goes 9 is बराबर ये 9 the right hand side it goes 16 is plus 9 it minus 9 your can it goes AB whole square और AB whole square equal to 16 minus 9 16 minus 9 goes बराबर 7 AB equal to square छ left hand side ये तर अपोरी बन square root ये बना square root of 7 द्रा एक्सट्रीम साइड AB बराबर root 7 AB द्रा बराबर root 7 Draw a triangle hand, turn away side. Which has calculate cos A to tan A. Omni nice book, pon A. Cos A. Cos A has pata asa. Each has binding lectures na pormo. Cos A has a barabar. Adjacent side go at AB divided by hypotenuse. Cos A has a barabar. Adjacent side that have question base divided by hypotenuse. Base has AB. Hypotenuse goes AC. AB draws as बराबर root 7. Hypotenuse goes बराबर 4. Draw as cos A. Cos A draw root 7 divided by 4. Which is called tan A. Tan A is पता आसा. Tan A is गणित lectures ना पढ़ो. Tan जैसा बराबर perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular to the base issue, the perpendicular to BC, base goes AB. यहाँ को से करना मुझे tan A शासा बराबर opposite side BC divided by adjacent side चाहिए इनका AB. चल हाँ को इसमें tan goes बराबर perpendicular divided by base. Perpendicular chess did BC, base as AB. BC as 3 centimeters barabar, AB as barabar under root 7. Draw as question number 3 is answer. Cos A draw barabar root 7 divided by 4. Tan A draw barabar 3 divided by root 7. Now question number 4. Question number 4 given 15 cot A equal to 5. Find sin A and sec A. Question number 4. Already there given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. I should find Karan sin A and sec A. Given जो और है दे जिसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 होस तथा kan ये और है दे 15 cot A equal to 8. Find करो sin A and sec A as solution. 15 cot A given what is it? Equal to 8. क्या कौन है इसका तो लिखे cot A equal to 8 divided by 15. 15 जो can multiply इसमें इधर आप और even 8 divided by 15. Now अच्छी पता cot चासा बराबरन base divided by perpendicular. This is a reciprocal tan. Tan चासा बराबर perpendicular divided by base. Cot को तुम reciprocal base divided by perpendicular. There is in triangle we use as triangle number three is the side choice. पता sin A sec A काटने खतर choice triangle the right angle triangle. ये makes the side choice already this base as 8 centimeter perpendicular to 15 centimeter which has three side cut. इसने बाक right angle triangle. A B C right angle निमो है B spat. देखो base जो 8 centimeter perpendicular से देखो 15 centimeter. ये triangle is the side आसना इस पता three side ने by use of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem जो बना hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse AC square base direct name was base AB 8 whole square plus perpendicular 15 whole square. Draw as AC square 8 square goes barabar 64 15 square goes barabar 15 into 15 5 are 25 5 ones are 15 square goes barabar 15 into 15 5 5 are 25 5 ones are 5 5 are 5 and 1 is 1. 225 15 whole square goes barabar 225 barabar AC square equal to 225 plus 64 goes barabar 289 AC whole square is equal to 289 AC whole square. The square that already went under root of 289. So, AC 289 square root of 289 छासा बराबर 17. Square root of 289 छासा बराबर 17. Draw as the three side बराबर 17 centimeter. Draw as if side त्रे साइड y को आराम सान sin a कड़ित sec a कड़ित अश पता sin a छा बराबर perpendicular divided by hypotenuse perpendicular छा 15 centimeter hypotenuse is 7 centimeter draw sin a which is called cot a goes barabaran which is called sec a sec is a reciprocal of cos a is asa barabaran base divided by hypotenuse there goes sec barabar hypotenuse divided by base hypotenuse is that AC 17 centimeter base is that 8 centimeter we go question number 4 we go question number 5 now question number 5 given sec theta is equal to 13 divided by 12 calculate all other trigonometric ratios or is that question number 5 is sec theta equal to 13 divided by 12 I should calculate all trigonometry ratios question is or is this sec theta is barabar 13 divided by 12 calculate all trigonometric ratios trigonometric ratio is other one as total 6 after or this sec theta will take 5 as card yath pe such sec theta is or this sec theta is barabar 13 divided by 12 ash pada sec theta is asa reciprocal is can question number 3 ko 4 ko tatha kan ji sec theta is asa reciprocal of cos theta cos is barabar base divided by hypotenuse sec theta goes hypotenuse divided by base यो मतलब जो साइड छ और है त्रीम साइड काटने खतर असने वो ट्रायंगल आ A B C राइट एंगल B BC थीटा बराबर और एच एंगल बराबर उस A आसा एंगल बिकिने A बल थीटा इधर ये वो हाइपोटेन्यूज बराबर 13 सेंटीमीटर बेस बराबर 12 सेंटीमीटर परपेंडिकुलर छनास ट्राइगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो काटने खतर गसनास त्रेनवे साइड आसे पता त्रीम साइड काटने खतर चाइस लगावे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम जो हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर hypotenuse 13 was 13 whole square base बराबर 12 whole square plus perpendicular बराबर BC chess this side chess 13 whole square goes 169 12 whole square goes 144 either you guys left hand side even 144 equal to BC whole square 169 minus 144 you go 25 बराबर BC whole square or BC equal to under root of 25 under root of 20 square root of 25 is बराबर 5 तो draw as three side BC बराबर 5 centimeter draw as three side y को trigonometric ratios is को three side all trigonometric ratios will करें गोइंग go sin theta sin is बराबर perpendicular divided by hypotenuse perpendicular goes 5 centimeter hypotenuse goes 13 second cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta is already 13 divided by 12 each reciprocal goes to barabar 12 divided by 13 so easy so 3m tan theta is barabar perpendicular divided by base perpendicular is that BC 5 centimeter base goes 12 centimeter draw tan. Likewise with cot. Cot is a reciprocal of tan theta. There goes 12 divided by 5 is barabar. Gۄडٕنِکِس lecture's منٛز چھِ اَسہِ پوٚرمُت. Draw as یِم ژور گوٚو پوٗنٛژِم cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec is a reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is already this 5 divided by 13. Then you get reciprocal goes there goes barabar 13 divided by 5. Goes question number 5. Question number 5 innovation trigonometric ratios. You must in triangles through. Thanks.